Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, today I'm straightening my hair with the hairbrush dryer from Revlon. So to be honest, the footage you're seeing now is not the footage I wanted to use because I did a whole intro and everything like that in the beginning, but I lost all that footage. So as you can see, we're at a point where it's like I'm already using the Revlon brush, and that's the only footage I have after the intro, so this is what we're working with. But besides that, as you can see, the brush dryer is actually really good, to be honest. I really love it. At first when I bought it, I was like really struggling to buy it because I was like, bro, I'm not about to pay $60. I paid $60. They had it at Walmart. But honestly, it's kind of worth it because if you're like me, who is a lazy type of person, like I get lazy and I can't do it no more type of person, and so sitting there with the actual like hair dryer and then a brush, it's just too much. My hands hurt. I can't. And it never works out for me. But this, you see how like straight it got my hair? Like as straight, my hair has never been this straight from blow drying. So yeah, it really does what it needs to do and whatever. So if you are like a type of person who likes to do the easier way out, get you this brush because it really does a job. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just going through each section. I did 4 sections and I have 2 left. So I'm just gonna fast forward the rest of the video so I can get to the point where I'm flattening my hair so I can come back and talk there. Okay, so now I'm gonna flat iron my hair. I got a new flat iron because I feel like the flat irons I've been using have not been working correctly and stuff. So I bought a new one to see and make sure it's good. Obviously, this one is really big, as you can see. But yeah, I forgot what it's called, but I bought it from Walmart as well. It was like $20 something, $29 I think. It works. It's good. Yeah, it just does its job or whatever. It's just like a regular flat iron. It's like a regular new flat iron. You know, when you have a new one, it always works right and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start flat ironing my hair, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm finished fully with my hair. So yeah. Okay, so this is the final results. As you can see, the clip before this is when I finished flat ironing my hair, but after like a few hours I came back and went through my hair again with a blow dryer to get it more like straight because it was giving puffy vibes. And I know why. It's because when I took out my dreads, my hair really needed to be washed and taken care of because it had been like 2-3 months without me taking care of my hair. So I washed my hair multiple times with the shampoo and stuff, but then I did do a hair mask and stuff like that. It was the Cardi B hair mask thing. I was trying that out, and yeah, you know, that's like a lot of oils and stuff in my hair. So even though I washed it out, it was still in my hair. So my hair wasn't fully rid of all types of stuff in my hair, you know. So I understand why I wasn't fully straight, but going through it again with the blow dryer really helped it become more like less stiff. It helped it become less stiff and more workable, more manageable, and look more straight. Like, this is the straightest my hair has ever been before, besides when it was permed. So yeah, I did try cutting my hair too, like doing like cutting the split ends and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm doing little split end cuts or whatever. It's not perfect. I'm not a professional. I probably did it all wrong, but I did do it anyways. And yeah, so that's what I did. That's pretty much the end of the video, end of what I did and stuff like that. If you liked the video, let me know. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in another video. Peace.
What? You're gonna hop on my car.